What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I just want to show you guys the awesome blessing that one of the followers of this channel has bestowed upon me. Okay, so recently Errol Hendricks commented in one of my videos that he would like to donate a laptop and a new mic to me, and at first I didn't make anything of this because you know people normally say things, but I really didn't expect that Errol Hendricks would pull through. So what happened was I gave him my details, we got into contact, and he showed up today and he brought me a new laptop and a new mic. As you guys can see, there's a new addition to this channel and I am really super grateful. Errol, I know you're watching. I'm really super grateful for this donation. This will really help me pump out videos that's of greater quality concerning sound, and then also this will help me put out videos at a much faster rate, so you know I'll be able to reach my target of at least putting out one video per day. So thank you so much, as this will really help me make people aware and make them aware much faster. Now I don't want to take up too much of this video with me talking and babbling, because I have made something that shows me setting up the laptop and then also set up the new mic system. It's just a little appreciation video for Errol, because he really drove a far way to get there. Thank you so much. I thank you all for your support. I thank you all for standing with me, and also I thank you all for pushing these videos, because without you guys none of this would be possible. So without any further ado,